What is the area of green region? Line construction, trigonometric identities, cosine rule, Pythagoras' theorem, area of a triangle, basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve these questions. Solution to question 1. Label points B, C, D, and E. Construct line B equals 8. This is because opposite side length of a rectangle are equal. Line C equals 2 times R, which equals to diameter of the semicircle. From triangle BCE, using Pythagoras' theorem. The square of line BC equals the square of line CE minus the square of line BE, which equals 4 times the square of R minus 64. Take the square root of the equation. This implies that line BC equals the square root of 4 times the square of R minus 64. Also, label the line X. And line BD equals to Y. Measure length 4, which is half the side length of the square, as shown on the figure. Line OB equals R, which is the radius of the semicircle. It follows that X equals 8 minus line BC, which equals to 8 minus the square root of 4 times the square of R minus 64. By secant tangent theorem, the product of X and X plus line B, C equals the square of 4. We obtained the equation shown on the screen. Simplify this equation, so that the product of 8 minus the square root of 4 times the square of R minus 64 and 8 equals 16. Divide the equation by 8. This implies that 8 minus the square root of 4 times the square of R minus 64 equals 16 divided by 8, which equals to 2. Combine like term. We have that the square root of 4 times the square of R minus 64 equals 8 minus 2, which equals to 6. Take the square root of the equation. It signifies that the square of the square root of 4 times square of R minus 64 equals 36. Hence, 4 multiplied by the square of R minus 64 equals 36. 4 multiplied by the square of R equals 36 plus 64, which equals to 100. Divide the equation by 4. We have that the square of R equals 100 divided by 4, which equals to 25. Take the square root of the equation. We have that R is equals to the square root of 25, which equals to 5. It implies that line BC equals the square root of 4 times the square of R minus 64, which equals to 6, after simplification of substituted values. Label point G. Let angle ECG be equals to theta. It shows that angle BC equals 90 degrees minus theta. It is because angle C is equals to 90 degrees. From triangle CEG, by trigonometric identity, line CG divided by line C equals cosine theta, which equals to 8 divided by 10. The result is equals to 4 divided by 5. We call it equation 1. Consider triangle CBD. Line BD divided by line BC equals to sine 90 degrees minus theta, which equals to cosine theta. Substitute values and equation 1. It follows that y divided by 6 equals 4 divided by 5. Cross multiply and we have that y equals 4 times 6, all divided by 5, which equals to 24 divided by 5. Using Pythagoras' theorem in triangle BOD. This implies that the square of line OD equals the square of r minus the square of y, which equals to the square of 5 minus the square of 24 divided by 5. The result is equals to 49 divided by 25. Take the square root of the equation. This implies that line OD equals the square root of 49 divided by 25, which equals to 7 divided by 5. Hence, area of triangle BOD equals half of line OD multiplied by y, which equals to 84 divided by 25 in square units. This result is equals to green area. Therefore, the area of the green region equals 84 divided by 25 in square units.